Hello, I am back again with LOONA's official Lightstick. Obviously, this is just the top part of it. If you watched my unboxing video, you'll know that I spotted a small dark spot, which you can actually see right there, on the cover of the bulb. And so I tried finding out if you could dismantle it, and I found this tweet, which shows it taken apart, and I thought, maybe I can try to remove that mark. So if you look at the bottom here, you'll see that there are a bunch of small screws, and I have a small screwdriver right here. So I'm going to try dismantling it, and I will be very careful. And I thought I would document that process in case someone else wants to dismantle their Lightstick, because I know that there are lots of things that you can do to customize your Lightsticks, which is actually how I found that tweet in the first place. Let's do it. So I just want to pause here, and in the picture that I previously showed, the original poster dismantled it more than I need to, so I'm pretty sure that after I remove this, I'll have access to this cover, and I'm just going to try to clean that and then I'll reassemble it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but this thing is ultra reflective. The way that it casts light is just so fun to look at. Like, what? But anyway, here is the cover, and I'll see if I can focus. There we go. And you can see that there's a little bit of black on it, so I'm going to try to remove that. It's a little bit hard to see, but there actually is still a small gray mark right underneath the moon, but I would say that the gray mark that's left is pretty much negligible at this point, so I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble this now. For a second I was worried because I didn't remember the orientation of the orbit, but then I realized that there are actually notches in the top and the bottom here that correspond with notches here and here. So luckily I didn't have to pay attention to that, and I am okay. Again, with this part, there are small notches right here and here on the right and left, and you can see that they correspond with small notches here and here that aren't present on the other ones. And there we go. My light stick is put back together now, and hopefully you cannot see a mark at all. I'll know that that small gray mark is still there, but I'll probably forget about it at some point. If you wanted to see how the light stick is assembled for customization purposes, I hope that this was a little bit helpful. Again, I did not dismantle it as much as I could have, but you can certainly remove the cap, and you can also remove these pieces here, as you saw in the picture that I included in the beginning. I actually finished recording, but I should probably verify that my light stick still works after this. So, got my batteries in here. And it still works. Whoa, it's creating a really freaky effect on my camera. I don't know if that'll show up in production, but that's pretty trippy right there. Alright. There we go. Thanks for watching.